What I have here is a really cute introduction to biology. Look at this little microscope for kids, and it works exactly like the real thing. Now, it does require two AA batteries that are not included, but you pop them in, you turn on the power button, and that little light comes on. And that light is basically the light that's going to shine through the actual specimen that is on that, that plate. And that's the really nice thing, is that they do give you here, the plant specimen, and I don't know if you can actually see, but you can see a little bit of what's inside, but with the microscope, you are literally diving into a brand new world when you're seeing this up close and personal. Very cool. And then they also have the blue one, which is the animal specimen. Of course, you do see them a little bit as well. And the other thing, I think my favorite thing, because obviously they do give you these as starters, so you don't have to do anything, but if you want to do your own, whether it's something you find outside, maybe a kid is playing with, oh, I found some rock and chips out a little bit of rock and puts it on there and does his own little slide with some water, and then the whole thing is explained with really nice images for them to follow the actual instructions, and then you have your own slide that you can slide in here, literally go and discover what you're trying to figure out, right? What you're trying to see up close and personal, which I think is really cool. Now, it does, like I said, work like a real microscope. You've got the adjustments for the light right here with the little knob. You do have the adjustment up here for the viewfinder and the focus ring at the top as well. So yeah, all that is there. And the really nice thing is that they don't just give you one magnification, they give you three. So you can start with the 80, and then you move to 360, and then we'll move to the last one, 720. And this one, you are going deep dive into these little specimen, little slides. I think this is really cool. This will definitely open up kids' minds into something they've never seen. And the whole kit is included here. And it's super giftable in this little box. And again, so easy to follow the instructions, so easy to get it started. We literally popped some batteries, and within 30 seconds, we were seeing these things really, really close up. So yeah, highly recommend this little thing. If you've got kids that have kind of that wild imagination and want to always know more, this is definitely a cool thing.